Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math algebra problem, and here we have 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals to 1, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here first we rewrite this equation as we have 9 to the power of x, and we write this 9 as 3 square and its whole power x, plus here you have again 9 and we write it as 3 square and its whole power x, and plus we have 3 to the power of x equals to 1. And now in the next step we use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have x to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to x to the power of n and its whole power m equals to x to the power of m times of n. So here we need just only to interchange these two exponents and we get its output in this form. So that here we just interchange these two exponents, and after interchanging these two exponents we will get its output in this form: 3 to the power of x and its whole square plus 3 to the power of x and its whole square plus 3 to the power of x equals to 1. And you see that each term contains 3 to the power of x term, so that now we just take y equals to 3 to the power of x and we convert this exponential equation into the quadratic form, so that when we put 3 to the power of x equals to y, then this expression will becomes y square plus y, and we move this 1 in the left hand side and it will becomes minus 1 equals to 0. And here we get 2 times of y square plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So that here we easily make the factors of this equation, and we need any two numbers whose product is minus 2 and whose sum is plus 1, so that these two numbers are minus 2y, these two numbers are plus 2y and y, and minus 1 equals to 0. So that here we take common 2y from the first two terms and we get y plus 1, and here we take common minus 1 and we get y plus 1 equals to 0. So that here we take common y plus 1 on both of the terms and we get 2 times of y minus 1 equals to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we take y plus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we take 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So in this case we get y equals to minus 1, and in this case we get 2y equals to 1 and y equals to 1 by 2. So now we back substitute the values of y. So in the start with the problem we take here our y equals to 3 to the power of x. So now we back substitute the value of y here and you get 3 to the power of x equals to minus 1, and in this case you get 3 to the power of x equals to, we move this 2 in the upsides, then you get 2 to the power of minus 1. So here you see that the left hand side we have an exponential function and in the right hand side we have a negative number, and you know that exponential function always gives us the positive value, so it cannot be possible an exponential function equals to some negative value, so that we will reject it this case because it is not possible. And now we proceed here this case only, and in this case we have 3 to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of minus 1, and in order to find the value of x we need to take log on both of the sides of this term. So you get log of 3 to the power of x equals to log of 2 to the power of minus 1. And now we use the property of log and we move this x in the front of this log, and you get x times of log 3 equals to minus times of log 2. And here we move this log 3 to the right hand side and we get our x equals to minus log of 2 divided by log of 3. So now we can just simplify this nice equation, and in this equation we use the calculator and logarithmic table in order to find the value of log 2 and 3, and you know that the value of log 2 will be 0.3010 divided by the value of log 3 is 0.4771, and this is the our negative sign. So when we divide these two terms, then finally we get here x equals to minus 0.6308, and this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.